It's another word. No, yes. Okay. So, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Julen Plazaola, and I come from Graddock. Okay, I will explain to you this software, what it's capable of doing. Basically, it's a software that provides food safety at the lower cost. Okay, and how does it do this? Basically, it just economizes energy consumption in industrial or commercial facilities. Okay. And apart from that, it optimizes also the maintenance of these facilities. Okay, so we will get deeper into it. But first, I will like to play a short video that explains the mission and the values of our company. Okay. Maybe it's not possible to. Oh, we cannot hear it. Well,
Currently,
I will pass the video
from industrial and commercial refrigeration.
There are product losses due to malfunctions in the cold rooms. Energy costs increase because the cooling system does not operate optimally and during chillout periods. Increases the negative impact on the environment. Maintenance is done manually without data, and 80% of it occurs after a failure. Production downtime occurs as a consequence of the aforementioned issues. To overcome these challenges, we have developed a software for managing industrial and commercial refrigeration. It is a platform that optimizes the operation of the refrigeration system and performs predictive maintenance by acting automatically before a failure occurs. The potential for improvement in refrigeration is between 20% and 40% in energy consumption, and 25% in maintenance costs. With Gradhoc, we achieve food safety at the lowest cost as a path towards decarbonization. We ensure the perfect preservation of food for the sake of people's health and reduce product losses to prevent food waste. To care for the planet, we reduce carbon footprint by minimizing CO2 emissions. To act on energy efficiency, we reduce consumption and maximize savings. To reduce maintenance, we improve its optimization. The potential market we are targeting is primarily the global food industry, encompassing transformation, distribution, and retail. However, it also includes any other business that requires refrigeration or HVAC during their production process. Gradhoc is implemented in numerous facilities throughout Spain. Additionally, we are carrying out projects in different countries across Europe and Latin America. Our international expansion is a reflection of our commitment to continue growing and delivering value in diverse regions worldwide. Everything that Gradhoc has created has drawn from their multidisciplinary STEM team.
Gradhoc is a cloud platform that emerges from the need to evolve the traditional model of industrial refrigeration towards an artificial intelligence-based model. Food safety at the lowest cost as a path towards decarbonization. Join us. Smart refrigeration. Cooler future.
Okay, so the video was a good summary of everything that we do. But basically, Graddock was created as a side project of the parent company, which is Cofrico, which has decades of experience in the installation of cold and refrigeration installations. Okay, and our president Jose Luis, who is seated there, right there next to me, foresaw the problems that the refrigeration industry would have to overcome in the future. Okay, and Graddoc was created as an innovation and development project inside of Cofrico. And what are the main problems of the refrigeration industry that we try to solve? Mainly the food waste that every day are tons and tons of food waste wasted away because of bad preservation. Also the production shutdowns because due to a poor maintenance of the main facilities. We try to solve this by giving more importance to the preventive and predictive maintenance instead of the corrective one, which is the main maintenance choice that the technicians take into account. The energy price fluctuations due to mainly geopolitical reasons these few years has been a great downturn in the pricing of the products also of our clients. And finally, all this has an impact in the environment. Okay, there is a direct correlation between energy consumption reduction and CO2 reduction. Okay, so what does our software do? It mainly is able to manage the energy. It manages the energy system of the client's facilities. Okay, it is able to monitorize, automate, and make constant and periodic reports of the client's facilities, how they are working and what's their performance being. Okay. And apart from that, we are centered also, as the video has said, in the maintenance service that we provide to the client. We provide many tools that the client can use to make an appropriate maintenance of the facilities. Okay. With this, we can get to up to a 40% of energy savings with our clients, and also a great amount of cost savings of the maintenance service that we provide to our clients. Okay. And all of this has a clear aim because we are aligned with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Okay. We provide with the maintenance that we provide, we can lower the CO2 emissions. Of course, the products that our clients produce are in better conditions for our final clients, and also we provide the employees' well-being because of the tools that we provide in the maintenance service. They don't have to be all the time looking at the plant, going to the plant for any fixation that there needs to be made. Okay. So basically, we install a small hardware in our client's facility. We read data from that hardware to our platform, and we are able to take all the capabilities that we have with our software in the client's benefits. Okay. Mainly, we can read the data and the assets that the client has in the facility. We read all the data from the facility. We perform an optimization that, the optimization is a characteristic very specific of Gradoc that we develop with our developers, powered by artificial intelligence. Okay, and basically we are able to optimize the energy consumption of the client based on the energy pricings in real time. Okay. And also, for example, if the client has a photovoltaic system installed in the facility, we can use the energy exceedings that the client produces to stock cold in the chambers, in the cold room, or we can use it to configure in another way the compressors of the client. Okay. Here you can see also that we can manage the energy system of the client, the energy structure. We can do charts that reflect all the evolution of the energy consumption. The maintenance service also, we have corrective and preventive alarm systems. We can automate responses to the alarms, okay? And we have a very complete catalog of reporting all the data that we collect from the clients, we use it to make reporting, all kinds of reports that reflect, temperature systems, the defrosting of the clients, the valves performance, etc., etc. Okay, so we can do also a specific reports that the client asks to us, okay, about something very specific about their plant. And we can integrate all types of energy modules, as I have told you, the photovoltaics, the lighting, the climatization, etc., etc. We have clients from all around, from every sector, okay, food sector, retail sector, pharmaceutical sector, and etc., etc. So we can work with many types of clients. Here you can see the dashboards that we can create. These are like SCADA plans, simply, where we can put some widgets and the client can interact with the widgets, the temperature of the zone, etc. Here you can see one example of how our optimizer works. This was a compressor which was working at full capacity. Here you can see it in the left of the previous to the optimization process. And after the optimization, you can see how the compressor's performance was much more regular, was like in a band, okay? Instead of working at full capacity, 100, 0, 100, 0. Well, it's working like around 50% constantly, okay? So that reduces the energy consumption. Here you can see the savings that we obtained with one of the clients. This was, I think, a retail client. And we got like, well, in the x-axis, you can see the temperatures. And for each temperature, the energy consumption before and after the optimization process, okay? So in some of the temperatures, we got 27% of energy savings. This is another example because when the energy price is lower, we stock energy, we save up energy in form of saving up cold, okay? And when the energy is more expensive, we just stop working the machinery and the compressors, and with that we save up energy. Here you can see, for example, that when we have solar production, too much solar production, we use that energy to save up energy from the counter, okay? And well, another example of energy savings. And just to summarize, we are a very dynamic group. We are a young multidisciplinary group that we are constantly innovating in the platform. We are all the time getting new features in the platform, okay? It's a very dynamic process. And well, you can visit us in the Hall 7 in the stand 133. So we will be glad to receive you. Thank you very much.